Okay, some of you knows from my walk around video on my Jeep, I bought this used, missing a couple of things. So, that opened. And what I am missing is, there is a plastic tray that's supposed to go here. There's supposed to be little pockets to hold your screws. And all I got here is a jack and some tools and some garbage in the 4-way. So, I wish I had this piece. Maybe time for some YouTube magic. Okay, we're gonna do some YouTube magic. You gotta see the magic words. Abracadabra, alakazam. I wish I had that part. Poof. Let's see what happens. Look at that! YouTube magic. The part appeared. Wow! I like YouTube magic. No, okay, besides the cheesy joke. Okay, it was a joke. Try to bring some comedy, you know, and light everything going on. Anyway, in all seriousness, I got this today in the mail. It's the tray that sits in here, and it has, you know, the pocket and the things for the screws. And it was $50 off the eBay. And give me a second, I'll give you a part number. That's the part number. 1QG08DX9AA-001. And this is a genuine Mopar OEM product, not aftermarket. This is what was supposed to be in the Jeep. So whoever had the Jeep decided they needed it more than the next person. So let's open this puppy up. Okay, we're gonna open the box up, and hopefully this should fit. The box is very light; it's not really that heavy. So comes in plastic. Its own plastic. Nothing else in there. Throw that to the side. What we're gonna do is we're gonna got some stuff in here. We're gonna just put that to the side for now. Wow, somebody left me like a torque spit set. Wow, it's Christmas. This looks like a it's either Cobalt or Milwaukee Phillips bit. That's funny. Yes, I haven't really gone through this. Some kind of bolt. I haven't really gone through this since I bought it. Somebody likes Reese's Pieces Buttercups. That wasn't me. And you know what I'm thinking this looks like? This looks like a package for valve stem covers. Well, anyway, put that to the side for now. So, just for now, I'm gonna hold the seat down. Push that up just for now, and hopefully this should fit. Plastic. This is supposed to fit. Haha! Just like that. Yep. Yes. It's supposed to be oh, I see. Okay. That's what happens. Here we go. Alright, it's a little, there we go. It's a little hard to see. It's in there. There's the plastic tray that goes in here. And these are all the bolts and stuff that, like, case if you took your T-tops off or your doors, it holds all the bolts. Supposedly, there's supposed to be a rug over this. It's a double-sided rug One side's copper, this is Jeep, and the other one's rubber diamond plate, this is Jeep. I'm trying to find that. But anyway, this totally, I'm happy. Totally cleans up the back interior. It doesn't look like anything's missing. So I'm gonna put the seat back down. And there you go. Put the seat up. There you go. It looks a lot better. A lot better. And you have to, you know, put through the hooks. Yeah. It's pretty, I mean, I don't think this, I think, like I said, I think there's supposed to be a cover that snaps over this, but I'll see if I can track that down. But like I said, I bought this off of eBay, brand new. It's Mopar OEM for 50 bucks. I am so super stoked I got this done. You don't know like how excited I am that this looks better than it did, because I don't like the, you know, playing like the way it was. All right, folks. Thank you for watching. If you care to leave a like, I'd appreciate that. Throw me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe if you like. In this time, you know, with everything going on, everything's crazy. Everybody be safe. Be good to each other. Make good choices. Don't forget to wash your hands. And we all will get through this. Okay? Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye. Hey, this is Dave with Long Island Paintball. Don't forget to like and subscribe, like I said, if you like. This is my 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. I have a lot more things going to go on with this truck, like a little, couple more little projects. Like I got a spare tire cover I'm going to put on, which is easy. I'm going to replace the license plate holder. This has a big crack, it's busted. I already got one for Amazon. I got that coming. I got like a little tweaks, you know, to do to the Jeep, but that's about it. So subscribe if you like, throw me a thumbs up if you like. Stay tuned to the channel because I got a lot more fun stuff coming up. Everybody be safe.